Welcome to our backyard. Yesterday we got our new spa, inflatable spa from Crisco. We couldn't afford to buy one outright, so we just lay-byed it. It's a 4-person, probably 4 kids. I'm not sure if you'll get 4 big people in there. But it's got a cover that goes over the top, zip top. Yeah, I am soon. And I'll put a towel holder.
Oh, I'm sweating.
To hold the towels. The temperature inside the spa, inflatable spa, is 40 degrees. Is it hot?
Yeah.
It is.
You'll be astonished.
Astonished. It's supposed to be 700 litres of water. I had to build the base myself because normally they just put them on the lawn.
Probably have to chuck some out.
But it's a bit messy putting an inflatable spa on just on the lawn. You need a base, so I'll put some tiles down and some mats over the top. It's got 5 jets. You can adjust the air or water. It looks pretty good in there. It's not that loud, is it? I don't think it's that loud.
I like the water how it spins around.
It's got the motor at the back. I haven't got the wire connected properly. I'm going to get a power point put on the outside so I can just stay on, and when we want it we just turn it on and it heats up. The best thing about these is you're probably better off putting in some warm water rather than starting it from cold. So it takes a long time to sort of ward up that 700 litres, that's all. Anyway, that's our gift for Christmas, and we're going to enjoy it. Thanks for looking.